Hey guys, it's me, and welcome to our new year in 2021. We're going to start off the year right with simplifying radical expressions. Some of you may remember this from last year in Algebra 1. We're going to start off with making a list of squares, starting with 1 squared to squares. So you're wondering, why do we need a list of squares? Well, we're going to be doing square roots. That's what this symbol, this word radical means. Radical means square root. And it's a special square root because it's square doing squares. It's a radical. We have a cube root and fourth root, but this is a square root. So we have our list of perfect squares. So we're going to put a box around those. We're going to use them. If you have your calculator, if you have your cell phone and your calculator, I'm going to pull up Calc 84. Hopefully it'll show up on here. Yeah, there we go. You can use, let me get rid of that. Get rid of that. There we go. You can use your cell phone as a graphing calculator, Calc 84. And we're going to use our table also. You can go to y equals and type in your number divided by x squared, and that will help you find the square root also. And I'll show you that in a moment. So here we go. So what we're going to do is, first off, I want to take the square root of 360. Well, does it look like any numbers that we have up here? Well, yeah, it has 36 in it. So I'm going to pull out 36 times 10. Well, they both have square roots on them. What's the square root of 36? Well, look across in the black. It's 6. What's the square root of 10? I don't have 10 in pink. So it's going to say stay square root of 10. So the square root of 36 is equal to 6 square roots of 10. And that's my answer. Well, how can I do that on my calculator? Go to y equals, type in 360 divided by x squared, and go to the second graph. And you're going to look in your table. You're going to find where the numbers are not decimals. And we know it's going to equal 6. There it is. 6 and 10. I can't make it any bigger. See, the x column is my outside number. My y column is my inside number. All the others are fractions inside here. Oops, went sideways. There we go. Okay, and let's try another one. Square root of 800. Let's do it the long way first. Well, it's got a 100 in there. I'm going to pull out the 100 times square root of 8. Okay. Does 8 have a number in it that I could pull out? Sure, 4. 4 and 2. So square root of 4 and the square root of 2. What's the square root of 100? Well, that's 10 times the square root of 4, which is 2, times the square root of 2. 10 times 2 is 20 times the square root of 2. Let's check it on the calculator. And y equals clear out what's there, type in 800 divided by x squared. Second graph. You may have to go down a ways. There we go. 20 square roots of 2. And that's all we have to do for radical expressions.